What's up, guys? I have what year is it? 2023 King Ranch F350. This is my uncle's truck. He just picked it up, and it looks like, are they 37-inch tires? 37s? Yeah, 37-inch Ridge Grapplers on fuel wheels, and he got a Ready Level Falcon leveling kit. Super pretty truck. Hello, puppy. Absolutely gorgeous. It drives super smooth. Stock, it drove like a Cadillac. Now it drives, as my uncle says, more like a truck. I'll take you inside. The big difference between these trucks and the older trucks, to me, in my personal opinion, is they drive smoother, they're more powerful, and there's more, creature comforts. That's the big, thing that you get with these newer trucks, in my opinion. Tons of space in the back. The seats go up. You got heated seats on both passenger and driver rear seats. B&O sound system. You can see the speakers above your head. You also get speakers in the headrests. It's got a weather guard tackle box in the back, or toolbox. Bed's one of those power assist beds. Comes down really easily. Don't mind the trash. Got Rhino liner. Got your outlets on the side here. 120 volts. LED lights. With these newer trucks, you have the side step here, and then the side step right here for getting into the bed. Easy access. Here's another look at the fuel wheels on the Nitto Ridge Grapplers. My favorite feature is it has a really nice heads-up display. You can see it forward as it starts up. Really nice heads-up display. Gives you your time, mile an hour, and temperature. Big screen. Take you around so you can hear what it sounds like. Super quiet engine. And the exhaust is quiet as well. Awesome truck. That's the 2023 F350 King Ranch. Also, as a note, it has the 6.7 liter Power Stroke L, so it's the more heavy duty engine. Has, I believe, 500 horsepower. I'll get the specifics and put them in the description of the video. Take you on the passenger side. Oh. Nice. Got this really cool design right here. It looks like a old home. King Ranch logos. The seats are super comfortable, tons of storage. You have your wireless charger, your adapters, and your 124 volt trailer brakes. Yeah, it's an amazing truck. I forget what the sidebars or the side steps are called. Amp Research, they're the automatic side steps that come down when you open the door and they go back up when you shut it.